One person can make a difference in a big way, and a united team focused on a goal can make just as big, if not bigger, difference too. With this in mind, regular team-based improvement events are a must. Now, let's be clear. Does this mean that an individual cannot make improvements? No. Everyone should be striving to improve in small and simple ways every single day. What we are saying is that teams should also be improving together, whether that occurs through Kaizen events, Kaizen blitzes, brainstorming suggestions or sessions, suggestion boxes, or even CDACs, or cause and effect diagram with the addition of cards, is unique to an organization. The focus should be on getting the regular team-based improvement events going. Part of doing this will undoubtedly require you to remove barriers between your departments and create a culture where all employees participate, feel a sense of ownership and accountability, take responsibility, and work towards a common vision. As these regular improvements occur, you will see all aspects of your organization change for the better. Keep in mind that in the beginning of your journey, you may have to assign teams different improvements. But if the culture is good, people feel empowered and part of a team, you will see that improvement assignments will go down and regular team-based improvement events will go up. We'll see you in the next module.